Pack is a carton machinery factory located in Dongguan County, Hebei Province. With more than 10 years of experience, we have our own corrugated cardboard production line factory, capable of producing 3-layer, 5-layer, and 7-layer cardboard. Each piece of equipment embodies over a decade of industry insights and has undergone repeated debugging and optimization by the technical team, combining high efficiency and low consumption. And we have our own flexo printing carton machine factory. The machine has undergone thousands of debugging and optimization processes, ensuring stable operation and a low failure rate. And we have our own stitching and gluing machine factory. Our machines significantly reduce the production process, integrating fully automated feeding, precise cutting, and rapid prototyping to reduce labor costs and improve mass production efficiency. We have warehouses with designated areas for storing finished equipment, core components, raw materials, and spare parts. Through scientific management, we achieve moisture and rust prevention as well as efficient inbound and outbound operations.